If you're watching this video, you're probably trying to get into one of the big tech companies. You've probably grinded hundreds or even thousands of lead code problems, or maybe you're just about to. But one thing that people who go on this grinding journey find out is they forget. They forget a lot of what they've done, almost as if they're wasting their time. They can't remember stuff. Some find out during an interview where they just blank or brain freeze, but some find out before. And I hope that's you. You see this curve here? This curve that looks like a cryptocurrency price crash going to zero. This is why it's known as the forgetting curve. In general, what it's just depicting is that after after one day, you lose about 20% of what you learned the day before. If you don't intervene after 3 days, you've lost about 40%. You get the idea. After pretty much a few days, it's pretty much all gone. But there is a way to intervene and stop this forgetting process. And that's where these dotted lines come in here. We all wish we could instantly learn by just instantly absorbing information, but we don't. We have to work with the biology we have to work with our brain and adjust our learning approach to suit how our brain actually works. So what you need to do is anytime you're learning stuff, you need to make sure that after a certain amount of time, you revisit the information you learned. And I'm not just talking about blind revision, but if you revisit the information, engage with it, essentially firing the associated neurons related to whatever this concept is, you can intervene with the forgetting process. And you see that although it still continues, it's at a slower rate, it's less steep. And you do it again, it's at even slower rate, you do it again, it's even slower rate. After a while, your brain is going to get the signal that, oh, this information is important. I better store it in long term memory. So before diving in, going in blind, solving 1 to 2 problems a day, solving hundreds of problems, grinding this playlist, that playlist, take your time to plan your learning strategy. Consider the moves your brain is going to make. Your brain's going to delete stuff. So you have to factor in and play moves to counter what your brain's going to do. Plan multiple moves ahead before making your next move. One of your next moves should be to like and subscribe, because in our next video, we're going to cover how to actually apply this spaced repetition technique to help you level up, to help you apply to how you learn data structures and algorithms, so you can actually bolster your coding skills and retain what you learn. What's the point of learning loads of stuff if you're going to forget most of it? Please like and subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Help me get to 100 subscribers. This is my first ever YouTube video.